Ever since President Trump took office, the media has painted a picture of a divided America. They've made President Trump look like a billionaire villain who is determined to start World War III and bring ruin upon the U.S. Yet after only 3 years, the U.S. is in a better state than ever. More jobs, a booming economy, and happier people. Trump rallies that see tens of thousands of supporters are the norm these days. The noisy liberals with all their protests, hate, and vitriol seem to have almost no effect on President Trump's popularity. In fact, their shenanigans have made him more popular as Americans realize that the left is crazy and deluded. And because of this, one of the top-selling products online right now is the Trump 2020 Victory Coin. While it's not exactly a branded item or one that can be paraded around like a Louis Vuitton bag, many President Trump supporters have gotten the coin and consider it to be one of their most prized possessions. The question is the Trump 2020 Victory Coin worth buying today? Follow me to the next video, and we'll see if it lives up to the hype. There's a lot of good things to say about the Trump 2020 Victory Coin. The coin is attractive and looks exactly like what is shown in the picture on the official website. So you're getting a high-quality product and not some cheap imitation. Best of all, the first coin is free. You only need to pay for shipping. Now, we believe that the shipping costs may be inflated a little to cover some of the coin's production costs. But even so, it's still worth it. The seller probably wants people to see the coin first, and when they fall in love with it, they'll buy more for their friends and family. What are people who buy the coin saying about it? There are several testimonials on the official website from very satisfied customers. This is great social proof. One of our biggest fears when it comes to buying stuff online is people who take your money and then never deliver the goods. The good news is that you'll definitely get your Trump Victory Coin once you order it. The sellers are probably trying to make e-commerce great again too. Plus, if you order more coins, you'll get them at a lower price. The coin is already inexpensive, but this just sweetens the deal. Still got more questions? Follow me to the next video where I've got more answers. So you might be asking, what if I buy the Trump Victory Coin, but when I get it, I don't like it? I've got good news for you. The Trump Victory Coin is backed by a 60-day money-back guarantee. Now that may be a bit of overkill considering how affordable these coins are, but it just goes to show you that the seller has full faith in their product and knows that people will love it. Will the Trump Victory Coin make a good gift? You bet. This is a fantastic gift to give to someone who is a Trump supporter. You can bet they'll like it, and it won't burn a hole in your pocket either. This is better than any deal made during the Obama years. And don't worry about keeping your Trump Victory Coin looking shiny and new for years to come. The plastic protective casing provided ensures that the coin remains clean and undamaged. This coin has all the potential of becoming a collector's item in the future. At the very least, it can be passed down to future generations looking as good as the day you bought it. One of the biggest selling points of the coin is not the coin itself, but the symbolism involved. This is a show of support for one of the greatest presidents of the United States who has delivered over and over on his promises despite unrelenting opposition and hatred from the left. This coin is more than a coin. It's a symbol of a fight against socialism, leftist morals, and corrupt politicians. Sound too good to be true? Follow me to the next video for some things you should know before you buy. Time for a Trump 2020 Victory Coin reality check, okay? No product is perfect for everybody. Buying this coin is taking a stand and showing your support for our President Trump. Considering the current climate of intolerance from the left, you might have a few relatives or friends who might give you grief that you're a Trump supporter with your victory coin. But don't let them dictate how you feel about President Trump. Never let anyone keep you from showing your American pride. Also, the victory coin is not available in stores. It can only be bought online. So you'll need a credit card and a computer or phone with access to the internet in order to buy this coin today. Other than that, there's no reason that you should delay in purchasing your Trump victory coin today. We're almost there. Follow me to the next video for some last words about the Trump 2020 victory coin. All things considered, if showing your American pride is your goal, then the Trump 2020 victory coin is your solution. If you're a Trump supporter, please finish watching this video and then click the link to purchase your coin today, because this coin looks great. It's a commemorative symbol of the biggest upset in U.S. politics, where an underdog with no political experience won the election and became President of the United States of America. President Trump may have his detractors, but all true Americans love him. And no matter how much the left whines or gets up to their dirty tricks, the Trump 2020 victory coin is here to help you show your support. This coin will pay for your ticket on the Trump train. Get it and get on, because we're making America great again. The Trump 2020 victory coin is ready to go. Are you? Look for more information about the Trump 2020 victory coin in the description below this video or on this page. And click the button below to place your order for your very own Trump 2020 victory coin or coins today.